John, is this what you call easy traffic? This is not the tourist time of the day. This is where real people are trying to get back to their tents after a hard day on site or in the office, or, well, drinking coffee mainly. But so we're averaging 10 miles an hour on the new bridge. Now, how many billions did this cost us? So we've replaced an inadequate bridge with another inadequate bridge. Bloody hell, it's just as well a flipping tram system. And while it is flowing freely, they have the nerve to reduce the speed limit to 40 miles an hour with average speed cameras. Really? And there's also a perfectly adequate other bridge, perhaps, not being utilised. Meanwhile, Bear Scotland are paying 50 pence a week for each one of these traffic bollards that's in situ. Not quite sure what function it's performing, but somebody with a bigger insight. Oh, here we go, it's a junction. Rather than using a zip system, alternating traffic, everybody decides to just stop everybody else from getting in front of them, which basically just makes things grind to a halt. You convinced, John? This is the bridge in all its splendour. I'm delighted to say it's the first time this week I've been across and going back at business time, which is, what time is it now? 5 to 5. Bloody stupid me. I thought I'd missed the rush hour, but obviously not. Welcome to Scotland. Welcome to the new bridge. Welcome to... No wonder I'm fucking driven to drink. Come on, people, just let them in. Just every set, alternate. It's easy. Don't try and cram 6 cars into 1 car length. Bit of courtesy. Live a little. Relax. Go with the flow. Like, I've let my one in, but meanwhile I've got worldwide services. Rather than falling behind me, they decides he wants to make another break for freedom. Then he flashes his wee lights. Isn't that terrific? So here we are, we're almost on the bridge. Oh, there's a load of porta cabin offices to the left. You might have missed that. And why are they still there? Again, a huge rental price. Why are they still there? What's... The Queen has opened it. We're good to go. Right, we're on the bridge now. 20 miles an hour, isn't that terrific? Serving the people of Scotland. You notice I'm keeping a safe distance. Anyway, better put this phone away before I get locked up. Anyway, it's just sitting on the dash, by the way, just for all you careful drivers. There's the I think we've got the old bridge across there. Oh, it's got porta cabins on it, various guys having cups of coffee, and isn't this terrific? Night night. Might get home in about an hour if I'm lucky.